Learn the color blue with the butterfly. Once upon a time, there was a bright blue butterfly named Sky. Sky loved his shiny wings. One sunny morning, he decided to fly around and look for other things that were the same beautiful blue color as him. First, Sky looked up high. He saw the big, wide sky. "The sky is blue just like me," he chirped. It was a clear day, and the blue stretched from one side of the world to the other. Then Sky flew over a sparkling pond. The water was deep blue and cool. He saw his own reflection dancing on the surface. "Look," Sky said, "the water is blue, and I am blue too." In a garden nearby, Sky found a bunch of blueberries. They were round, tiny, and very blue. Sky landed on a leaf to say hello. These little berries looked like blue polka dots hiding in the green bushes. Next, Sky saw a beautiful bluebell flower swaying in the breeze. It looked like a tiny blue bell ready to ring. Sky loved how the soft petals matched his wings perfectly. What a pretty blue friend. By the porch, Sky found a pair of blue rain boots. They were bright and shiny, waiting for a puddle. "Even boots can be blue," Sky laughed. He fluttered his wings over the smooth, blue rubber. Sky looked at a clothesline and saw a pair of blue jeans waving in the wind. They were a dark, comfy blue. Sky thought they looked very strong. "More blue," he cried happily as he flew past. A little bird zoomed by. It was a blue jay with feathers as blue as a sapphire. "Hello, bluebird," Sky called out. The bird chirped a blue song back to him. They were both part of the blue family. On a picnic blanket, Sky spotted a blue balloon. It was round and full of air, tugging on a string. It was the brightest blue he had ever seen. It looked like a big blue bubble floating in the grass. Sky flew into a house and saw a blue crayon on a table. Someone had used it to draw a blue heart. "That crayon makes everything blue," Sky whispered. He liked seeing blue on the paper. Finally, Sky found a blue toy truck in the sandbox. It had big wheels and a shiny blue cabin. "Beep, beep," Sky imagined the truck saying. Even in the sand, the color blue was easy to find. Sky was so happy. He found the sky, pond, blueberries, bluebells, boots, jeans, blue jay, balloon, crayon, and truck. They are all blue, just like one happy blue butterfly. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Kids love nature.